Great. So looking ahead, we've got another version of the survey coming out on Monday. So we can go to the next slide. That for most of the questions, this next survey will add a third data point to the trend. So it'll help provide a more full picture of people's experiences during this really unsettling time. We know that a lot of repopulation has happened on campus, and we expect in this next administration to the survey that we'll have a lot more respondents providing feedback about their on-site experience. And the most significant change for this survey is that we're including undergraduate and master's students. If we go to the next slide, we can see some examples of updates to the survey. So as Jason was just talking about, with a longitudinal survey, you're always trying to balance making edits to the survey versus keeping the survey instrument constant. But for students, we know that in a lot of ways their experience is really different from employees. And so we added some new questions and pathways to the survey to accommodate that. Some examples are shown here of new questions that we'll show to students. For example, we're going to ask students who are living on campus some questions about their experience feeling safe and their experience with their house team. And then there are some existing questions that just aren't really relevant for students. Again, mostly students who live on campus, questions about using public transit just don't make as much sense for that group. But again, the goal is to provide information for campus decision makers, and we're hopeful that this information will help give them a sense of the experience of students both on campus and those learning remotely.